Good morning. Let's take a walk through our factory and see what's happening today. Room 1, Hair Sorting. Here, we organize the hair by length and remove any impurities. This step ensures consistency before production even begins. Room 2, Hand Ventilation plus Quality Inspection. This is our core department, hand ventilation. Each strand is individually worked into the base by skilled technicians. At the same time, quality inspection is happening throughout the process, so any issue can be corrected immediately. That's how we maintain stable quality at scale. Room 3, Knot Sealing/Base Treatment. After ventilation, we move to base treatment. A sealing layer is applied to secure the knots and create a smoother, more comfortable base. Room 4, Base Making. Here is where the base is made and customized. We adjust size, shape, and material based on different client needs. This step ensures every order fits its exact specification. Room 5, Washing, Curling, and Drying. Next, the systems go through washing. Curling is also done in this room to create natural movement. We style the hair while wet to refine the final look. And finally drying, to lock in the shape and keep everything consistent. Room 6, Trimming and Packaging. Final stage. Then trimming, removing excess material for a clean finish. And finally, packaging. Each unit is prepared carefully before shipment. Consistent process, consistent quality. This a day inside our factory. Thanks for watching.